Have you ever wondered what happens to your waste after you throw it away? This question is more important than ever as our planet grapples with the mounting challenge of waste management. Mismanaged waste isn't just unsightly, it's a serious environmental hazard polluting our air, water, and soil. Now imagine if we could turn this problem around? If we could transform this waste into something useful? Well, there might just be a solution: waste incineration. But what if there was a way to not just dispose of waste but to use it for something beneficial? Enter waste incineration, an old concept with a new twist. Let's dive right in. Waste incineration is the process of burning solid waste at high temperatures. This combustion reduces the overall volume of waste by a staggering 90%. Imagine a heap of trash the height of a 9-story building reduced to just one floor. That's significant, right? But wait, there's more. As the waste burns, it generates a considerable amount of heat. This heat isn't just a byproduct, we can harness it and use it to generate electricity. Yes, you heard it right. Your everyday garbage can help power your homes and cities. Now you might be thinking, isn't burning waste harmful to the environment? Well, this is where modern technology comes in. Today's waste incineration plants use advanced systems to filter and treat emissions. They capture harmful substances before they can escape into the air. So, instead of a smoky, harmful exhaust, we have a cleaner, less damaging output. Furthermore, to ensure minimal harm to the environment, these plants are subject to rigorous regulations and standards. This means they are continuously monitored and updated to stay as eco-friendly as possible. So it seems like waste incineration could be a win-win situation, right? Well, not quite. As with any solution, there are pros and cons. But we'll delve into those in the next scene. Stay tuned. Like any solution, waste incineration has its pros and cons. On the plus side, it significantly reduces the volume of waste, thereby conserving landfill space. This is particularly advantageous in urban areas where space is at a premium. Moreover, it's not just about getting rid of trash. Waste incineration can be harnessed to generate electricity, turning an environmental problem into a resource. However, this method is not without its drawbacks. One major concern is air pollution. The process of incineration can release harmful pollutants, including dioxins and heavy metals, which have potential health and environmental impacts. Additionally, there's the risk of incinerating recyclable materials, inadvertently hindering our recycling efforts. So while waste incineration can be part of the solution, it needs to be used responsibly, and in conjunction with other waste management strategies. It's about striking a balance between the immediate benefits and the long-term sustainability of our planet.